Good morning, children. How are you all, Amma? Hope you are fine. Okay. In the previous class, we completed second chapter mathematics 8. Now I'm going to start mathematics B. Okay. Let us start our class. Mathematics B. See that. First one. Meena travels 2422 kilometers by airplane on 1200 kilometers by train Next, Bizu travels 1200 kilometers by airplane and 2422 kilometers by train. They are asking us the question without making any calculations. Without making any calculations. Can you say which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? They only given 4 options for us. Okay. See that 4 options also. Bizu has traveled more than Meena. Second one, Meena has traveled more than Bizu. Third, both have traveled the same distance. Both have traveled same distance. Both have traveled same distance. Fourth one, Meena has traveled 1 kilometer more than Bizu. 1 kilometer more than Bizu. Children, see the question once again. I repeat to you. Meena travels 2422 kilometers by airplane and 1200 kilometers by train. Here we have to check how much distance they traveled, both of them. 2422 plus 1200 kilometers he traveled. Again, the second person by name Bizu, he traveled 1200 kilometers by airplane and 2422 kilometers by train. But the vehicles are different distances, but they traveled the same distance. Here also he traveled 1200, 2422. Here also 1200 and 2422. Same distance they traveled. Yes, na? What the question they asked us? Without making any calculations, can you say which of the following is correct? Without making any type of calculation, they are asking us to say which one is correct. If you observe the question, both Meena and Bizu traveled the same distance. Both Meena and Bizu traveled same distance. Same distance means same amount of distance they traveled. So Option A. Bizu has traveled more than Meena. Bizu has traveled more than Meena. Now only I told you they traveled the same distance, but some of the distance by airplane and some of the distance by train. But not both are not different. But they travel the same distance, but the vehicles what they choose for the transport, that is different. Yes, na? But how many kilometers they travel, that was same. Meena has to travel more than Bizu. Not correct. Both have traveled the same distance. Yes, it's correct. Meena has to travel 1 kilometer than Bizu. They travel same distance. There is no chance of more and less. Yes, na? So go to the next one, children. Second blank. Here also the question was more question, but the answer will be calculated without any calculation. We can say the answer by seeing the digits, by seeing the numbers. Okay, children. First one. Library A has 1234 books in English. Books in Hindi, next, and 1588 books in Tamil. Next, library B has 1588 books in English. Next, 1234 books in Bengali. Next, two thousand two hundred and eleven books in Telugu. Without calculating, can you say which of these is true? Without calculating, can you say which of these is true? Which of these is true? Same four options they given for us. See the first option. Library A has more books than library B. Second one. Library A and B have same number of books. Third one. See, library A has one more book than library B. One more book than library B. At last, library B has one more book than library A. Children, question by question. How many books are there? Library A has 1234 books in English, 2210 books more in Hindi and 1588 books in English, in Tamil. See the second library have. First library 1234, 2210 and 1588. The second library, how many are there? 1588. Next 1234, at last 2211. If you observe these two number of books in libraries, if you check how many books are there, right, then you see 1234 here 1234, 1588 here 1588, both are equal. Only one difference is the 2210, 2211. So what is the difference between 10 and 11? 1. So what is the answer now? The library B library having one more book than A library, yes sir? So library B has one more book than library A. Option D is correct. Okay children? See the next question. C1. Which number makes this statement true? Which number makes this statement true? Which number makes this statement true? Third one. Which number makes this statement true? Which number makes this sentence true? See the first one. 4211, 4242 plus 3111, 3111 plus blank, 4422, 4241, 7353, 4240. Children, observe this question number. This should be more. This should be more. In both the sides, 3111 for 3111. So the number what you will choose, it should be more than 4242. See once the numbers given. 4242, it should be less than 4242. 4242, 4241, it is okay. Next 7000 is more number. 4243 also more number. So what you have to choose? Lesser number than 4240. It is B. Which number makes this sentence true? Makes this sentence makes this sentence true. See the question they given. 7345, 2345 plus one number, 5000s, 4000s, 7340. Children, choose the number what you will add. 7345 is less than 2345 plus some number. The number what you will choose, it should be more than 7345. Yes, na? So first one 5000. If you add 5 plus 7, 7340. Both will be equal, not it is more. So leave this answer. Your option next B. If you add 1, it doesn't changes that. It is not more than 7340. So check 4000. 4 plus 2, 6000. So not 7000. Should be exceed 7000 now. So choose one more number. What is that? D number, D option, 7345. Okay. See the next one in that. Fill in the missing numbers. Fill in the missing numbers. Fill in the missing numbers. See that option. Fill in the missing numbers. 6 blank blank and blank. Addition symbol 9519. Children, if you observe, which what number if you add 1, you will get 9 here. With what number you will add, you will get 9 here. 1 after which number, 1 to which number you add means you will get 9. That is 9 minus 1, 8. 1 plus 8, 9 here. 2 plus something equal to 1 here they given, not 1. It will be the 11. So keep 1 here, 11. 11 minus 2. What is 11 minus 2? 9. Next. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus something equal to 5 here given. Yes, na? So it must be 15. It must be 15. 15 minus 6. 9. 6 plus 1, 7. But here you have to get 9. Add 2 more for that. Then you will get 9. See the second one. 3 blank 4 3 blank 4 blank blank. Here they given it is 5000s. Okay. 3 plus something equal to 0. 0 means it will be the 10. Yes, na? So write 1 here. 10 means 10 minus 3 7. 4 plus 1 5. To get here 0 they given. So let it be 10 again. So 10 means 5 minus 10 minus 5 5. 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Here 0 and here 1. It's satisfied. 5 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. Here 0 means it will be the 10. So 4 plus 1, 5. Again if you add 5, you will get 10 again. So here 5 you have to get, but here 3 plus 1, 4. So what you have to add? 1. See the third one in that? 2, 3, blank, again blank. 2 blanks, 7, 8, they got 5, 9, 1, 0. See that? Here 8, here they given 0. So it will be the 10, is not? To get 8, to get 10 from 8, you have to add 2. 2 plus 8, 10. So 2 right here, 2 plus 8, 10. 0 here and 1. 1 plus 7 plus 1, 8. But here 1 given. 1 means it will be the 11, is not? So 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 8 plus 3, 11. So here 3 plus 1, 4. But here they given 9. 4 plus 5, 9. 2 plus something equal to 5 they told. To get 5 from 2, 2 after 3, 4, 5. So you have to add 3 to the even number. Okay. See the next one, children. 8, 1. Dash plus 1011 equal to 2111. So, if you add one number to 1011, they got 2111. That means 2111 minus 1111. 0, 0, 0, 1. Answer is 1000. Ninth one. 4000 plus blank equal to 4555. So 4555 minus 4000. What you will get? 5, 5, 5. So nothing but 555. See the third one, children. 10th one. Blank plus 3333 equal to 4444. So 4444 minus 3333. 4 minus 3, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 1111. If you add, you will get 4444. And some fun activity bits was given. See that fun activity bit, children. First one. 7 plus 7 equal to 70 plus 70 equal to 700 plus 700 equal to. If you know 7 plus 7, you will write remaining all 7000 plus 7000 is equal to. See, what is 7 plus 7, children? 40. What is 7 plus 7? 40. 70 plus 70? 140. 700 plus 700? 1400s. 7000 plus 7000? that doesn't change the value of 7 plus 7. See the next one. 5 plus blank equal to 9. When you add 5 to a number, you will get 9. What is that number they are asking? See that. 5 plus some number equal to 9. 5 plus 4. 50 plus some number equal to 90. 90 minus 50. 40. Here 400. 900 minus 1. 9000 minus 5000. 4000. See the last one in that. 2 plus 31. Blank plus 6 equal to 8. Blank plus 60 equal to 8. If you add a number to 6, you will get 8. What is that number? 8. What is that number? 8 minus 2. What is that number? 8 minus 2. What is 8 minus 2, children? 6. What is 8 minus 6? 2. So if you add 2 to 6, you will get 8. Yes, na? Like that remaining. 20 plus 60, 80. 200 plus 60, 800. 2000 plus 800, 6800. Like that you can change. You can say. Okay, ma? In this we completed second chapter. I am going to send you the second chapter full notes. Okay? Till then, goodbye. Write neat handwriting while writing the notes. Okay? Goodbye, ma.